Well, I'm standing in our ensuite bathroom now, and there's kind of a longish story of evolution in here. You might hear there's a little bit of an echo in here because there is no external opening to this room. So you can see behind me that we can see straight out the back, but that's because there's a glass wall on the other side of the shower enclosure. So it looks very nice, but the problem was, of course, that it was always damp in here. And so we've kind of progressed over time and done various things to try and address that dampness, and of course there was a tendency towards mold on the ceiling. So the first thing that we did was, well, we thought maybe the exhaust fan's not good enough. So we pulled it down. Of course, it was choked with dust, as these things are, and yeah, it wasn't really a great fan. So we replaced the fan. That was a long time ago. So looking at the fan now, I think, well, that's a pretty old fan, but yes, but it was a new fan. We replaced it, okay, but that didn't really make a lot of difference. The next thing that we did was, well, we used to leave the fan on for a long time. And of course you go out, you come back, and at the end of the day you're going, oh, I've left the fan on all day long, you know. So, so the next thing that we did was we put a pneumatic push button on the fan so that we could just push the button on it and it would run the fan on for a number of minutes, yeah, and it just wouldn't run all day long. That kind of helped a little bit, but not very much really. So the next thing that we did is we got an electric towel rail. We figured, well, we've got damp towels all day long. That's not really good. So let's get an electric towel rail and have nice warm and dry towels. It is connected to a timer. So it comes on in the morning and dries the towels and a little bit at night. So yeah, that helped. Again, it helped a little bit, and we did have nice toasty warm towels, which is great, but still not really fantastic. Okay, we did also put in the Solaventi, which did help a lot. And finally, the thing that really made a really big difference is that we fitted on top of our showering screen. We made our own shower dome. I'm a big fan of the shower dome product, and I would have got the real McCoy if our shower would have been a standard size, but it's not. And so what we've done is we've actually made our own effective shower dome, making the shower a booth rather than just an enclosure. And having done that, there actually is almost never a reason to run the exhaust fan, because all the steam from the shower actually condenses on the glass in the shower, and actually none of it comes in the room at all. Our shower is big enough also that you can towel dry in there in a nice warm space rather than out here. So it actually has worked fantastically well. And what happens is that in the morning, we'll leave the shower door, after showering, leave the shower door open, and the Solaventi usually actually just dries out the shower during the day. So it makes everything dry. And there certainly is no tendency towards any mold issue here at all anymore.